Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yesterday we learned some vocabularies and we learned something about seasons and weather, right? So today we are going to learn directions in English because it's also a very important topic. We have to understand it clearly to improve our day-to-day communication. So before getting to the topic, we have to see just the basics like the directions. Basically, everyone knows that left, right, straight, right. Left is it means left side, right the opposite of left. Straight means going forward without turning any side, like that is known as straight. Near is something that is close to you. That time we call it as near. Far is something that is not close. It's at a long distance. Like you can easily tell like that. Chennai is far from my native, like that. You also make some sentences, so it will help you to understand that vocabularies. And this next to it refers to. It's also very close, just beside something. Like so, we call it as a next to. Opposite is facing something like across the road, or you can say one of my friend is sitting opposite to me, like that. You can make your own sentences. Behind means at the backside of something. Between means in the middle of something, right? So corner is the edge of the edge, like when two roads meet, like that the point we can call it as corner, right? And the turn means change your direction. So we start with a small example, like because before we go to and make some examples, we have to understand why we have learned to directions, because direction plays an important role, because these words help us to describe location and give direction to others. If someone come on to ask the direction for something like a hospital or supermarket, like that, you have to tell that place exactly is place like that. So you have to must know about this concept before getting fluent in English. So with these words we can easily explain where it is, where something is, right? So like tell me an example, like we have to tell like this. If there's someone asks some questions, we can like just go straight and turn left. The hospital is on the right side. The bus stop is near my house. My college is very far from my home. The shop is next to my bank. Like you have to make your own sentences. The car is behind the building. The tree is in front of my house. Like where, like you have to generate more and more. Like the park is opposite of the school. The cafe is between the hospital and the bank. Like you have to make some sentences based on your own idea. Like you have just try to describe your house from your working place, or you have to just try to describe your school from your home. It will help to understand these concepts fastly and clearly. So these are the basic directions words in English. So try to use these words in your daily life, practicing by describing your home, your street, or it may be your college, working place, whatever it may be. You have to practice, right? So the more you practice, the more confident you will become. So don't only learn concepts, you have to implement in that real life. So that will help you to understand and get good in English. So thank you. We will meet in our next video.